Hi, Queen. Welcome to the Queen's Reset Ritual 2.0, the improved and bettered version of the original Queen Reset. And so, if you're here in this immersion, I assume it's because something in your life right now is not exactly where you would like it to be. You are in a position where your soul is longing for something more. And it drains you, depletes you, discourages you, and exhausts you to be where you are right now. And you know you're meant for more, and you know you're meant for something that you can clearly see in your vision. But you're not there yet. And so there's a reason why what you've been implementing, doing so far, the hard work you've been putting in, the sweat, the labor, the hustle, the systems, the actions, everything you've been doing, the recipes you've been following, there's a reason why they haven't yet led you where you want to be. And it's not because you're doing it wrong. And it's not because you're not meant to live that dream life. And it's not because the women that you admire do it better than you. The reason why it hasn't been working for you is because you've been building on top of fragile, uncertain, dissonant foundations, flaky foundations. And no, I'm not talking only about systems, because yes, they matter, and yes, we work on them in Systems Queen, but I'm talking about different foundations. I'm talking about your assumptions, your thoughts, your feelings, your belief system. You've been building on flaky belief systems, flaky assumptions. And so this is why I'm bringing back this beautiful graph that I drew and shared in my Instagram live, and that was probably one of the best videos I've ever made. I'm gonna go quickly through it because you can watch the whole video on my feed. But essentially, this is you, your life, the universe, with God here. The oneness, the no thing, the everything. This is pure love and light. There's no tangible, no physicality, no density. And here is the polar opposite. It's the third dimension, totally physical. This is where you see and experience your reality on your day-to-day basis. This is where you have your material belongings and the things that you crave in this 3D reality. This is your body. This is your identity, the labels that you have. And essentially, the flaky part is here. And you've tried and tried and tried here to bypass by changing your actions, implementing systems, following recipes from coaches, doing the do's, and it has not worked. And the reason why is right here. It's your assumptions and your belief system. My cat is there. And this queen is what we're gonna look at and work on together in this Queen Reset 2.0. We are no longer ignoring the root cause of where you're at right now and why you are there and not yet where you want to be. We are no longer here to act upon things before cleaning up the gunk and the mess and the things that are underneath that are not allowing you to move forward and that are always ending up bringing you to square one. This queen, this is the reset. This is the recalibration, the reclamation, the initiation, and the cleanse. Welcome back to your throne. So take a deep breath and set aside 15 to 20 minutes for this Queen's ritual. Light up a candle, make it fun, and let's dive in.